Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. It's the girl Sylvia. Guys, Davido came back, like back to back, guys. Like the pre-wedding videos I've been watching, like my fans has been, DMing me, babe, you need to go and see this wedding. We need to analyze what happened in that wedding. Even though I'm not there. But guys, I can gladly tell you that I was seeing every video back to back. Like, oh my god, like, is it the part of the surprised pre-wedding party, like the bridal shower? It was amazing. I actually put a short video about when he was visiting people, like trying to get some invites from people. Like, Davido knows how to love, but Chioma has carried this whole relationship on her back. The girl deserves everything beautiful. Like, I think Chioma is one of the lady I know that has never come out to social media to say even a word. Like, the girl deserves everything good. Everybody knows how they handle their relationship. As it stands now, I don't have any right to tell her what to do and what not to do. I don't have the time to even come and, give my own view about how she's going to handle her relationship. She has been managing this relationship all through with Davido, and she has been conquering it, God knows how, but I'm sure happy that it is finally over by getting married. So let's go to the part where Davido had to petition the baby mama Sophia as per co-parenting. Yeah, it's always good to co-parent irrespective of the situation, at least for the sanity of the baby involved, you get. So I feel like at this point they should have come to a conclusion. I don't know whose fault is who, but I know that when he petitioned, that Sophia returned the public response by saying that she has never denied Davido of access to their daughter, and he has been taking care of the views from certain year to certain year. You can be seeing that in my screen. So that the only problem now is that she's denying him her body. I don't really know how true that is, because that's what I heard from her. I wasn't there when all these things are happening. So she had to respond, and all these things were happening the period the video was about getting married. Remember, I gave you guys a clue. So, and it was Davido that started first. I just want to be clean here. So she responded. Then I left that part and then came to the part where Dami Crane came out, to, I don't know whether it's to, throw shade to Davido as per he's trying to prepare his wedding, and of course he's only getting married because the wife has seen Shege, and to cover up his shames he wants to settle down with her. They all know that he's going to go back to his promiscuity and all of that. We pray it ends. Yes, I don't know, I don't like putting mouth on my people's business, especially relationships. I just come and give my own 2 cents without being biased about it. So he said that, and he kept on triggering. So Davido has to write out a disclaimer and even petition, let me use that word, through his lawyer, and told Dami Crane to resist from, calling his name out, defamation of character and all of that. He still came out and was like, oh, your brain lawyer to come and say I put it to you. Oh, you're your own and all of that. So another guy, he's in UK but a Nigerian, that he came again and called out Davido in the same period he's also preparing for his wedding, accusing him of collecting thousands of euros, let me use pounds, just to collaborate with Davido, and yet he did not release the song. I don't know what is going on. If you ask me, I don't know, but all I know is that the thing has been going up and now people just want to be talking. So the dragging kept on and on in this period of trust Chioma now. She has never been talking on the day one. So I guess the only person responding is always Davido. Do you understand? So there are 2 girls, like in X app, I don't really know, they were saying something about Davido. You can see that on my screen as well. Like, I was like, why is it this point in time that everybody just wants to be talking about Davido? I shall know that some people that were crushing on Davido, it is over. Do you get? We are sorry it happened that way, but he will definitely love one person and end up with one. It's too bad that a lot of things have happened before this now finally eventually happened, because she was patient, and if you ask me, I'm really glad for her. I'm really glad for her. So I don't see why we're not going to be happy for her. She has been there. Do you understand? Okay, now let's go to the point. Let's go to the point where she went for the hiring of wedding gown. Guys, believe me, Chioma is, she's preparing for her wedding actually, but the girl is enjoying money. Yeah, most of these Gen Z bodies in this generation, because we are millennials. Sorry, I'm dragging you people to this comment, but then she has been, even the ring he engaged her with, he said he can buy 2 Rolls Royce. Even though our brother comedian D1 came out to debunk her and was like, "It's a lie, I can never believe that." Well, you're talking on your own. How much he buy am and we no buy am? We don't know how much the Rolls Royce cost. Now for their pockets, all these things are the PR against the wedding that is coming up. Do you understand? So she went to rent her wedding. Guys, did you even take a look at the view of the place they're hiring wedding girl? Kai, money is good. We pray to work hard. Money is good. So that's where she rented her gown with all her bridesmaids. I am sure that the bridesmaids are just preparing so bad because they need to catch their own man there. This is not the wedding of it is the wedding of the billionaires. Yes, it's the wedding of the billionaires. We all know the truth that it's the billionaires that are doing this wedding. So that's that about her selecting her bridal gowns that she's going to use. Even though I heard that this one that is going on is going to be traditional marriage. Yeah, you can even see the photo shoots from Davido and the future wife Chioma. So far they've been doing some shoots and you can see how happy she is. I'm really, really happy for her about that. Yeah, so she came in, I felt like that's a surprise. She didn't expect it and she was overwhelmed. And this guy, World Sass, he came to sing on that bridal shower, guys. The bridal shower is showering. Like, she's changed outfits, like I think 2 or 3 outfits, correct me if I'm wrong, but I know she literally changed outfits. Do you understand? It's going to be hot and late. I'm just giving you the pre-wedding that I saw so far. Like, my eyes were seeing the scenes. It was it was even coming out, everything was coming out, and there was a period where the video was doing a throwback of when he now did proposal prank on Chioma. Chioma said no, but these things started like friendship. What I'm saying is a genuine love between two of them. It's true that the video may have a flaw, and she accepted it. She accepted the flaws. Is it me that will not come and accept it? So why are people complaining so bitterly as if you're going to be the one in the marriage? She has been in this issue since in their relationship. So why can't people just calm down and follow them, rejoice? If not to look, we look, because this wedding is the wedding of invites. You cannot just go there to party. Do you get? So guys, that's how the whole party thing will happen. Cubana chief priest, we all know him, a very good ally to Big Cubana. He has been there for the girl, and then I saw him also in that party where he was actually praying for Davido, telling him that since he ended up with his sister, God will definitely bless him, shower him, thank him for not backing out on Chioma and the rest of it. Even Ubi Franklin made a comment too about Chioma. People were saying so many things they know and the encounter they had about Chioma, including her bridal trains. Like, it was heartfelt and emotional. Do you understand? The girl is literally spoken by everyone that she's a nice person. So who are we not to accept? Even the way she behaves, truly she looks like a quiet person. The video visited some personnel. Of course, this wedding is going to be lit. It's going to be lit. So he visited some personnel. Do you understand? Get the invites, and then of course some footballers like Osimhen. Even I saw very dark man. I was like, hey, this wedding, if you don't come, it's strictly on invite. And the kind of securities that are going to be there, the clue I had is what do they call them again? They know they show their face, so they no send you. If you now come to say you want, they go just move you one side. So now we will be online in-laws. We're going to watch from online. Someone asked Davido, like, who is going to be your best man, and he chose this amazing guy. I learned that this guy has been with him since his childhood, and he's what's being his best man. So that's the person he chose. And then congratulations, of course. You know that Chioma'S bridesmaids, I don't need to list them, but I know that a lot of babes are going to be there. Do you understand? So shall we speak about Davido's father? I think Davido's father is one of the richest man in Nigeria, and then again, he's on a low key. He's a very quiet man. Recently, he just bought himself a private jet, guys, and the man was just oh God. Well, money is good. He was also preparing for his son's traditional marriage because It's going to be one of the Nigerians ever had lavishing, most splendid traditional marriage. So some people were bashing Davido or Chioma. Why is he going to allow Davido to wear his own culture during his own her own traditional marriage? It's not meant that way. You have to respect your wife's culture, blah blah blah. Then somebody else said, he said you can spend millions in a lavish wedding styles and all of that. It doesn't still determine happiness in marriage. Yeah, he has a point. That's true. But then again, am I Chioma? Are you Chioma? No. So it's only Chioma that took that decision and she wants to stick to it. So we have to shift to one side and enjoy the wedding. So guys, this is the gist I brought for you guys, and I hope you enjoyed it. So guys, it's nice to see me again. I know I would also love to see you guys one of these days. So thank you guys for always stopping by in my videos. I want to use this opportunity to thank you guys so much. I love the love that you guys show me. Thank you for always coming to see my videos, and thank you for also wanting to grow with me. Henceforth, I'm going to be showing my face in my longer videos, to be precise, most of the time. So see you guys in my next video. And if you're new here, please kindly don't leave. Click that subscribe and notification button. Let us be friends. And if you're an old subscriber, I love you so much. See you guys in my next video. Bye.